Hey guys, it's Gina. If you are looking for a fun sign to put out, so we have this hanging on the front porch on a little planter display box thing. But if you are looking for a fun sign to put on your front porch, your back porch, that sort of thing, this is a really cute one that you're going to want to check out. So it says at the top, porch rules, and then it says, read a book, gather with friends and family, listen to the birds, sip a drink, take a nap, share stories, laugh and daydream, feel the breeze, relax and unwind, and enjoy the day. This brand makes a nice variety of different signs for both indoors and out, but I really like this one for your front porch. I highly recommend. What we did was actually, it hangs from this cord right here, but what we did was, it looks like it's come off here. We hot glued it on the back, but it looks like we need to do that out. Here in Oklahoma, there is a lot of wind, but this is a really fun sign. You definitely want to check this out if you're looking for something for your porch.